kiddos, that's water. Why don't you go back inside? Yeah, it's water. It's not gonna hurt you. Well, quit. Oh dear. Are you going to swim? You're silly. Oh my goodness. You guys know you can walk around. There's plenty of room to walk around. Why are you walking through it, silly? Oh, you cutie patooties. Why are you doing that? Well, I'm impressed. You've got fortitude. Oh, kiddos. You can go inside. You got the whole barn. Oh, you silly Billy. Oh, you'd rather hide under the plants, huh? Oh, you silly kitties. All right. Good babies. Uh-oh, where'd they go? I don't see any kitties now.